Ever wished you could instantly capture your beautiful Wix website as a portable PDF? Here's how. Method 1. Using your web browser's built-in print function. This is the easiest way for a quick, static snapshot. First, open your Wix website in your preferred web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once it's fully loaded, click on the File menu, usually found at the top left corner. In the drop-down menu, select Print or use the keyboard shortcut, often Control on Windows or Command on Mac. This will open the print dialog box. Now, you need to change the destination from your physical printer to a PDF option. Look for a destination or printer option. Click the drop-down and select Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF depending on your operating system and browser. Some browsers might have it directly listed, while others might require you to choose it from an all printers list. You'll see a preview of how your website will look as a PDF. You can often adjust settings like layout, margins, and paper size here if needed, though for most websites, the default should work well. Once you're happy with the preview, click the Save or Print button. This will bring up a File Save dialog box. Choose a location on your computer. Give your PDF a descriptive name and hit Save. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now a portable PDF document, ready for offline viewing, sharing, or archiving. For more advanced options, or if your browser's method isn't quite cutting it, consider using third-party online tools specifically designed for converting web pages to PDFs. Simply search for Wix to PDF Converter online, find a reputable service, and paste your Wix website's URL into the designated field. Follow their on-screen instructions to generate and download your PDF. Whether you choose the quick browser method or a dedicated online tool, saving your Wix website as a PDF is a straightforward way to preserve its content in a universally accessible format.